the different speaker, and every time you'll talk about different topics. They'll offer you their insights, and yeah, you'll get to know how you can work on it. So yes, shall we begin with this session then?
Uh, are you also available on any social media platform?
No, I have deactivated my IDs.
Oh, I only
Okay.
on Clapping Go.
Yes. Clappingo is there, I guess, on Instagram. Yeah, you can follow. It's simple Clappingo, and the other account is Clappingo Tutor. So you can check them both out. They offer brilliant data. You'll learn many new things. Plus, it's quite. There are memes as well, so you'll enjoy it a lot. And of course, it's on YouTube, so you can look for their videos as well.
So,
Okay.
are you a student or any entrepreneur currently?
Currently, I mentioned I'm a content writer.
Content writer. Oh.
Okay, so are you working or are you studying right now?
Currently, I am pursuing my diploma in Polytechnic from Government Polytechnic Kanpur.
Okay,
So
so I think you just graduated your 10th class then? Are you in 11th, 12th?
No, I have
Or
passed out my 12th and thereafter I moved towards Polytechnic.
Okay. So after that, are you planning to study something else or will you be in this field?
Yeah, after that, I'm thinking that I should pursue BTech. So thereafter, I'll move towards BTech and I'll try to make my future in a technical field.
Okay, great. So your seniors, like, were you mentioning your polytechnic seniors, your diploma seniors that you're facing difficulty talking to?
Yeah, definitely. There are also many teachers and HOD sirs. They are very polite teachers with whom I can contract very easily. I can discuss my topics, any doubts I can discuss with him. And there are also a lot of seniors with whom I can contract easily in a very easy manner. And they also try to give me solution of my queries.
Okay, fine. So there are only few people you find difficult talking to. Find it difficult. Or
When it comes to difficulties, I think when I contract with any of my seniors, like if I go to my principal sir, my HOD sir, or any leader, before any leader, then I feel very difficulties. I feel very, like I am unable to contract with him properly. Like if I talk to my friends generally, then I can contract with him very easily. But if I go to any before any seniors, then I feel a lot of difficulties to speak with them.
okay. So I think this happens when we have lack of environment for English language. Like
Yeah,
when you were younger, like in your school, did you use English all the time?
no, in a school generally we are, we are engineers, so our language is very different. Only in examinations or interview we use English language, and in generally we don't use English language, and there is not also in environment. So I think it also requires environment, but we have not an environment, so I'm unable to speak before anyone else.
Don't worry. Now we have to do this. Now we have to surround you by English as much as you can.
Yeah.
So of course in Clappingo you'll get to talk to strangers. So that's the speaking part. The other part is the gaining part. So do you watch Hollywood movies? Listen to English songs?
Uh, Generally, I used to see the speeches in English, and I used to listen English songs. And I, when I listen English songs, when I used to listen English movies, I'll not say speeches. Then I try to analyze that what words they are using, and I'm unaware of that. I used to try to write in my notes. I have also make a diary, you can see here, that is available. I have also taken it.
Yeah.
So I make a diary for improving my vocab's power as well, so that I can contract with him with anyone else fluently. So that's how I'm preparing for it.
Okay. Along with writing the meaning, the words, try to write a sentence with it. Like, don't write the exact sentence.
Yeah, with the help of vocab's power, I also write sentences in my diary as well. If suppose I have written moreover, furthermore, in addition to. So on the basis of that, I have also written an example. Like I teach English in an institute, and addition I uploaded videos on YouTube. Like this manner I preparing for that. It will be beneficial for me?
So, mhm.
Is it will be
Yes,
beneficial
yes,
for
it
me?
is beneficial for you, but it will only focus on the words. We
Words.
also want to focus on the sentence structure. Like right now, whenever you're talking to someone, you have to recall the whole sentence that, okay, I need to talk about this thing now. Words come secondary, the sentence comes first,
Oh,
right?
okay.
Yeah, so please firstly focus on how you're presenting your sentence. Try to use in all the phrases, all the common responses, then think about the vocabulary and the other words.
Okay.
Don't worry, this is also a good start. You're off to a good start. This will show results pretty soon.
Uh,
Okay. Can I give you a topic? Would you like to say something about it?
topic you can discuss with about any Kanpur or educational things like anything that you want.
Okay, okay. If I give you any particular topic, you won't be able to express your thoughts regarding it.
Uh, if topic would be unknown to me, then it will be a little bit difficult, but I'll try to describe that.
Okay, it isn't totally unknown to you. I'll tell you what is the topic.
Oh, that will be extended for me.
So let's try. The topic is that everyone is becoming antisocial, right? So what advices, what tips would you give? What do you think is the reason? Should they become more social? Sorry?
What had you said that everybody wants to what?
Everyone is antisocial these days. Do you know what
Antisocial.
antisocial is?
Antisocial matlab means the person who don't want to available on social media.
Yes, along with social media, antisocial would mean not interacting with people.
Oh,
That is antisocial. When you are isolating yourself, you keep everything to yourself, you don't talk to your friends, that is antisocial. So, do you think that after COVID, this is something that has influenced many people? So, yeah,
exactly.
take your time, think what you can say about it, and you can start.
Uh, if I have to speak on antisocial media, then I would say it's not good, because if I talk about for students, then antisocial is also not good, because after antisocial can help the students in written exams. But if I talk about the interview, because in most of the examinations there are many phases like prelims, mains, and interview, then they can crack the prelims, mains, but if I talk about the interview, then they will not be able to uh, they'll not be able to crack that interview, because they are antisocial person. They have become antisocial person. They are not able to contract with anyone else. They are they will become very shyness person to speak before anyone else. So I think that is not a good thing, but that can reduce the your time consuming. If you are not talking to anyone else, if you are become antisocial person, then you will have a lot of time to enhance yourself, enhance the quality of thinking yourself. But there are also pros and cons of every situation. So there are less pros of this situation and a lot of cons of these situations.
Right, I agree. So here the pros are outweighed by the cons.
Yeah.
Fine enough. Okay.
So
Along with
could you
that,
tell me
do you
about
have
your
any?
hobbies?
Sorry.
Could you tell me about your hobbies?
Okay. I usually spend most of my time reading. Like that's
Reading.
my main hobby. Like right now after the sessions, I'll get back to my reading,
So
and I consume a lot of content as well. So I watch movies and series.
So,
Yeah.
what do you
Sorry.
think, in your opinion, for being fluent in English, what things is essential? Writing practice, or listening practice, or speaking practice,
Okay.
or
I'll tell
everything
you
is
this
essential?
thing. There is no single mantra for it. There's no single rule fits all. You have to invest your time in everything equally. You have to spend time reading, you have to spend time listening, whether you're listening to speeches, podcasts, or songs, and you have to spend your time writing as well. Of course, writing would not require too much time, just spend some time writing, because there are many mistakes that we might miss while reading and while
Yeah,
listening
yeah,
and while
definitely,
speaking.
definitely.
They come up when you're writing. So you have to spend time for all of them, but you can have your own choice. Like if there's something that you like more, spend more time doing that. It will show results. No
So,
worries about that.
upon which we need to give more time on writing or listening or speaking practice. Upon which we need to
Okay.
give more time.
I mentioned this before as well. It is not a one rule fits all. Many a times our senses perceive things differently. Maybe I can grasp a lot of knowledge while reading,
Yeah,
but you can grasp a lot of knowledge while watching things. So
definitely.
it works different for you. You have to try all these things and understand which one works better for you. Right now, I can only offer you this solution that you have to try everything. Don't skip out on anything. Then you'll find that, okay, I'm learning a lot through this process.
Actually, it
Right?
will it will become quite difficult for me because currently I'm studying in polytechnic, so there will be a pressure of also semesters because it's going to be my third semester, and in technical field, there are lot many subjects, and every subjects are very different, are unknown to us. We need to study that all subjects very properly, and uh, simultaneously I'm also preparing for government exams, like currently I have appeared for SSC GD, so I'm preparing for that as well, and for that I have to also prepare for running practice, because there are also a criteria of 5 kilometer in 24 minutes. So
Okay, okay.
that
You have your plate full, so I'll tell you the easy way. You have whatever books you're reading for your course, are they in English or are they in Hindi?
all the books are in English. See,
Okay, so
currently I am reading in English because till my 12th class I am from UP boards. That all subjects were in Hindi medium. When I comes to Polytechnic, when I decided to learn English, I started to read all the subjects in English. So currently I am also studying in English books. So I think that can help. That helped me a lot in speaking English as well.
okay, yeah, that was a smart choice. You have to consume as much English content as you can. So for reading, you are trying to spend time reading
Yeah.
your English content in your course, but we cannot stick to just course. So
Yeah.
do this thing that for 15 minutes, try to read something else. Either read the Hindu, an article, like you can spend 15 to 20 minutes, right? That's not too
Yeah, 10
much.
to 15 minutes I can easily expand.
Exactly. So 10 to 15 minutes, spend time reading the Hindu or any article that you
I
find interesting.
uh,
Yeah,
actually I used to read the Hindu before my semesters, because it took a lot of time for understanding the vocabs and the structures, because the Hindu that newspapers contains a lot of different vocabs and lot of different sentences. Uh,
exactly.
so I was facing
You
major
want to go
problems
easy?
in
Okay.
understanding that.
No worries. So pick a book and read few pages of that book, like maybe 10 pages per day
Yeah.
or 5 pages per day, whatever your capacity is. Pick a easy book and try to read those pages. It will help you in conversational style as well, because the authors write in very simple English so that everyone can understand it. So try to read the books every day. Watch one episode of Friends. Have you heard of Friends?
Friends. Sorry, I'm unaware of
Yes.
that.
Okay. It's a TV series. It's available on Netflix or any torrent
Sorry,
website or
what
Telegram.
what had you told?
Friends.
PVCV.
Friends. Yes, it is a TV series, sitcom.
TV series.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
So watch one episode while eating food or whenever you're free. That could be your reading and consuming content. While speaking, talk to your friends in English, on Clappingo in English. These things should help. Now I need to offer my feedback, okay, because they can cut the session in between.
Yeah.
So you have to focus a little bit on your grammar, okay? We will not say I is first person, so we will not say when I comes to Polytechnic. We will say when I came to Polytechnic, right? Just
Yeah.
notice the difference. If we are using she, then we can say she comes, he comes, Ajay comes, Swati comes,
Okay.
then we can use it.
Okay.
When I, they, we will use come or came. Okay. And one thing is you use the word contract a lot.
Yeah, contract.
Are you using it in the wrong reference? Because we will not say that whenever I have contract with my seniors. Contract would mean having a whole legit legal document with signing. That is contract. I think you were referring to contact.
Contact.
Contacting, yes, contacting the seniors or interacting with the seniors, right?
Okay.
Okay. Then last thing is we have to focus a little bit on your vocabulary. I know you're learning new words. Try to use them. Like when you were mentioning about isolation and antisocial, one word that you can use is that it offers time for self-retrospection or self-introspection. You can think about yourself. So you described it well, just use the better words as well.
Okay.
That is one thing. So focus on grammar and vocabulary. Practice. Okay, practice is the key. Reading, watching, and speaking. Do not miss out on speaking.
Okay. Meeting is over. So I onset paired